In this video, I will be demonstrating this beginner's quick and easy wire-wrapped arrowhead pendant. This is filmed in real time so you can see how quick this wrap actually is. I also have a video for a similar easy wrap for vials. I will leave the link at the end of this video. I am using soft round copper wire. Measure 3 inches or 8 centimeters and create a medium-sized loop at this point. Start at the back of the arrowhead. Hold the loop at the top of the arrowhead with the top of the loop visible above the stone. Bend the wires through the notches in the arrowhead. Always be careful as the stone can be delicate where the notches are and rough treatment could cause breakage. Cross the wires over each other at the front of the arrowhead. Take the longer wire and bend it back around the stone and return to the front, being careful with the notches. Where the wires cross at the front, twist them once around each other, locking the wires in place. Take one of the wires and use the tip of round nose pliers to start bending the end into a small loop. When you study the loop, you will notice that the very end of the wire is still straight. Trim off this straight bit of wire and continue forming the loop to start the coil. I am switching to pliers with a flat nose to continue rolling the wire into a flat coil. Repeat with the other wire. Complete the pendant with a jump ring and chain or cord. Thank you for viewing. Please join me for my next video.